Hi everybody, I'm Mrs. Leiterman. Welcome to Pre-Algebra. In this video, I wanted to share some tips and tricks with you on how to be successful in pre-algebra, as well as just highlight some of the places that you're going to have to go in Canvas in order to find what you need for pre-algebra class. So let's get started. Okay, here you can see I have a picture of what your dashboard would look like once you open Canvas. Now, if you're watching this video, you've already opened Canvas and went into pre-algebra to access this video. But I do want to highlight some of the other features that you're going to need for pre-algebra this year. So let me go ahead and change my screen here. All right, here we have my dashboard. Okay, I've got all my classes up here that I teach, so I'm going to go ahead and click on pre-algebra. Okay, now the home page pops up. There's a few things that I do want to point out on the home page. Okay, wanted to point out down here the teacher contact. Okay, at some point this year, you're going to probably want to reach out for a little extra help. So the way that you can do that is you can find me during office hours, which are Tuesday and Thursday from 11 to 12. Okay, study hall, which is Tuesdays and Thursdays from 3 to 3:30. Okay, or you can always ask me a quick question after live class as well. The live class times are down here. Okay, to access office hours, you do need to sign up for a time slot, just like it says. So when you go ahead and click on the office hours button, you will see that on Tuesdays and Thursdays at that 11 to 12 p.m. Time, I have some slots blocked off. So you can go ahead and click on whatever time you want. Let's say you wanted to meet me from 11:30 to 11:40. So you just go ahead and click it and follow it out to book your appointment, or fill it out, sorry, to book your appointment. Okay, then I'll get an email letting me know that you signed up for that, and then we'll go ahead and meet at that time. If you'd like to see me during study hall, okay, study hall is just drop in. There's no need to sign up to study hall. I'm always in the middle school resource room from on Tuesdays and Thursdays from 3 to 3:30. Now, if you're a middle school student, you have the middle school resource room on your dashboard or listed in your courses section here. If you are not a middle school student, okay, don't worry, you can still find me in the middle school resource room. You just go ahead and click the study hall tab, and it will prompt you through Blackboard there right into the middle school resource room. Okay. Now, as I mentioned, we have middle school students that take this and pre-algebra, and also some high school students that take this course. So Mondays and Wednesdays, we have live class from 9 to 10, and Tuesdays and Thursdays, we have live class from 10 to 11. Now, if you either missed a class or you know that you're going to be out for a day and you'd like to attend a class that's not yours, okay, you can most certainly drop in to any class. Okay, I will be teaching the same info for the class that you would have missed. So for example, if you know that you're going to miss a Tuesday class, okay, you can go ahead and pop in on Monday. Okay, if maybe you missed a Wednesday class, you can go ahead and catch it again on Thursday. All right, let's go back to our home page here. Okay, so now that we've covered all of that teacher contact info, let's go ahead and highlight the two places that you can look to find your assignments. Okay, now the first place that I suggest you look would be the calendar. So I'm going to go ahead and click on the calendar here. Okay, the calendar is going to list everything that you need to do for that day. Okay, so you'll see the calendar looks pretty much the same for pre-algebra every day. It's got a lesson on it, and it also has a checkpoint. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and click on the lesson here. The lesson is going to give you the objectives. So what exactly is that lesson about? It's going to tell you what pages in the book you need to read, and then it's going to tell you what practice problems that you need to complete. Okay, now you do have to do the practice problems before you take the checkpoint. Those practice problems are going to prepare you for that checkpoint. Okay, so the checkpoint is a quick little quiz. It's a 3-question quiz. Let's go back and click on that and check that out. It's a 3-question quick quiz that lets me know if you are understanding the material. So when you go ahead and click on the checkpoint, again, it's going to tell you what pages and problems you should have completed first. Okay, so as you can see, each checkpoint is a 3-question quiz. Okay, they're all multiple choice, so you just go ahead and click submit when you're finished with that. Okay, so that's really the assignment every day. Okay, there are practice problems to do every day, and then there is a checkpoint to do every day. Okay, now as you can see, I've got them listed Monday through Friday. Okay, however, we only have class twice a week. So for example, if you are scheduled to attend pre-algebra on Mondays and Wednesdays, when you come to class on Monday, I will cover the material that's on the calendar for Monday and Tuesday. Then when you come back again on Wednesday, I'll cover the material that's going to be on the calendar for Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Okay? If you're in a Tuesday, Thursday class, when you attend on Tuesday, I will cover the material that's on the calendar for Monday and Wednesday. I'm sorry, Monday and Tuesday. When you come to Thursday class, I will cover the material that's on Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday for that week. Okay, so I will make sure that we cover all of the topics for the week during our 2 sessions. Okay, now the other place that you can go to find all this information is underneath the modules tab. Okay, now the modules tab, if I click on it, has all that same information. It has your lesson and it has your checkpoint. You can see the date that the checkpoint is due. Okay, you can scroll down, you're going to see it through for the whole entire semester there. Okay, so again, I recommend using the calendar. I just prefer the layout. It's a little bit easier to see exactly what needs to be done for each day. Okay, now if you wanted to check your grades for the class, okay, you can go ahead and click that grades tab. It's going to let you see what you've submitted for the week, or actually the entire semester, any grades that you've gotten on things that are submitted, as well as any comments, okay, and then also what still needs to be done. Okay, in order to find live class, you want to click on that Blackboard Collaborate tab. Okay, that Blackboard Collaborate tab is going to give you the session that you want to join. Okay, yep, so we want to go to Pre-Algebra Live class. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that. You can click join, and that'll prompt you and take you right into our live class, live classroom, live virtual classroom. Okay, now if you are looking for a recording, let's say you missed a class and you want to go ahead and watch the recording, you just go ahead and click on this recordings tab. Okay, now there are no recordings listed here because it's August and I haven't had any classes yet. Okay, however, they will be listed by date. So you can just go ahead and find the date of the class that you missed and you can watch it before your next scheduled class so that you can get all caught up. Okay. If you need to email me, you can go ahead and click on that inbox tab right there. And when you compose your message, you can go ahead and select pre-algebra. Okay, and that email will come right directly to me. So that's our quick little tour of Canvas. Let me go ahead and go back to my other PowerPoint here. A few other little tips and tricks in order to be successful in pre-algebra this year. Okay, be sure you have all of your materials and textbooks for each class, have them organized and ready each day for each class. Okay, make sure to follow a schedule for each week. If you plan yourself out a schedule and get in a routine, okay, you're going to find that it's much easier to keep yourself on track. Okay, now if you do get off track and fall a little bit behind in your work, please contact me immediately. We can definitely work out a solution. Now if you're stuck on an assignment, please come see me in study hall or office hours. Again, all that information is right on the course homepage. However, if those times don't work for you, let's say it's it's Friday and you need some help on something, you want to finish it up before the weekend hits. Okay. Obviously, I don't have office hours or study hall on a Friday, so just go ahead and email me. We can schedule a time that works for you. Okay. Expectations for pre-algebra is that everybody attends all the classes. Okay. Make sure to complete the practice work, assignments, and quizzes on time. Okay, so stick to that calendar, stay on pace. Okay, I want you to participate in your classes. Okay, interact with me and the other students in your class, and that's definitely going to take your learning to the next level. Okay, be responsible for your work and respectful of your teachers and classmates. And lastly, if you need help, don't be afraid to ask immediately. Okay, set yourself up for success with a proper learning environment. Okay, designate an area at your house that's only for schoolwork. Okay, might include your desk, your school supplies. Okay, you should have your folders or notebooks for each class. Okay, and maybe an assignment notebook if you choose to keep one. Okay, your learning environment should probably be quiet. Okay, it's not very easy to concentrate on math when other things in the background are going on. Okay, to kind of cancel out some of that background noise, if you have a headset, that tends to help quite a bit. So I would suggest using a headset in class if you have one. Okay, have your laptop charged and ready for school each day. Okay, if you have questions, please email me or call my office phone and ask. Okay, asking a question when you're not sure is better than sitting there and not knowing and starting out behind. I'm here to help. Okay, and I can certainly answer any questions that you might have. So just let me know. Okay, I look forward to getting to know each of you as the school year progresses. Okay, learning together, and I hope that we have a great time. Thanks for checking out this video. We'll see you in pre-algebra. Bye, everybody.